I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send funds from GCash to PayPal. While a direct transfer isn't currently available, there's a reliable workaround using your GCash MasterCard or Visa debit card. This method typically involves two PayPal accounts to facilitate the transfer of your money. We'll guide you through each essential step, ensuring your accounts are properly set up for a smooth and successful transaction. Let's get started with the preparations. First, ensure your GCash account is fully verified. This is crucial for higher transaction limits. Next, you'll need a GCash MasterCard or Visa debit card. Log into your primary PayPal account and find the Wallet section. Here, you will link your GCash card by entering its number, expiration date, and security code. This step connects your GCash funds to your PayPal account indirectly. Now, for the transfer itself. From your primary PayPal account, send money to a secondary PayPal account. When prompted, choose your linked GCash MasterCard as the funding source. Once the funds arrive in your secondary account, initiate another transfer to send them back to your primary PayPal account. This two-step process effectively moves your GCash funds into your main PayPal balance. Be aware that a card fee of 3.4% plus a fixed fee of 15 Philippine pesos applies to these transfers. Always check for any transaction limits imposed by either GCash or PayPal. While most transfers are processed quickly, some may take up to 24 hours to reflect. Remember to verify all details before confirming to ensure your funds reach the correct destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.